so incredibly honored to announce that we are creating a new show for the Main Street Opera House, and we're calling it Walt Disney, A Magical Life. It'll feature, for the first time, an audio animatronic figure of Walt. And we're advancing the technology that he pioneered 60 years ago with Abraham Lincoln. This new show will bring together the past, the present, and the future of Disney storytelling. And importantly, after its debut run, A Magical Life will play in rotation with our fan favorite Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. Creating our first Walt figure, it's an idea that's been whispered in the hallowed halls of Imagineering for years, maybe even decades now. We just had to wait for innovation to catch up with our dreams. And we're finally ready. This is a huge responsibility, and we're grateful to share this journey with members of the Disney family. In fact, Walt's great-nephew Roy P. Disney recently visited the Imagineering campus, where I had a chance to walk through our progress. He was so moved by the experience, and we can't wait for all of you to share in that joy. Roy's here with us tonight as our special guest. Thank you, Roy, for helping us fulfill this dream. I speak for our entire team when I say that there is so much pride and excitement for everyone involved in the creation of this show. It's going to be a powerful experience. The Opera House Theater will transform into Walt's studio office. We'll visit with him as he reflects on his life and shares his hopes for a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. This experience will be a chance to imagine what it would have been like to be in Walt's presence. Maybe just as a dear friend sitting down at the piano to play one of his favorite songs.
The little old bird woman listen, listen. She's lost.